Elok semua. Hari ni kita ke Chain Workshop untuk tanya challenge Gundam yang dibuat. Tapi sebelum tu kita kena masuk dulu tanya tangga. Biasalah kedai Gundam kan kena ada tangga kan. Tak sah lah. Jom kita naik. Lepas tu kita nampaknya kawasan ni 2 tingkat sebenarnya. Itu je poster Chain Workshop. Kita naik atas lagi, hampir tiba, tak lama lagi. Itu je kedainya. Jom kita masak. Tapi sebelum tu dia ada apa nama benda tu aku dah ingat. Jom kita masak. Ini ada bahagian dalamnya. Kau tengok tu banyak Gundam. Bukan Gundam je, kekal Gundam je orang jual. Mereka ada jual banyak monokil, tapi kebanyakannya entahlah, aku pun tak tahu nak cakap macam mana. Interview tuannya.
Bukan, sorry, it's not a competition, it's more toward a challenge. So the challenge, you kena siap pasang kat rumah, handed, view and pen. Lepas tu on the challenge itself day, you bawa sini.
Okay.
Dia macam like competition, okay? Tapi dia bukan competition. So biasa competition ada untuk this ranking like 1, 2, 3 kan. So this one challenge is based on marking. This means dia we call this dia bagi award. This means macam like if you reach certain point, they give you bronze, silver and gold. So we are more focused on quality. Selain because sometimes, for example lah, sometimes competition memang ada 1, 2, 3 saja.
Okay.
Tapi tidak bermaksud 4, 5, 6 tidak ada like worth the effort. So this challenge is more to encourage and guide participants or builders towards proper or like proper punya competition. So dia punya challenge, dia tidak ada 1, 2, 3, tapi ada ranking gold, silver, bronze. This means maybe like kalau this challenge memang banyak berkualiti punya participant, so peluang untuk dapat gold bukan satu saja. This means maybe multiple. Okay? Kalau lah, worst case lah, worst scenario, kalau memang participant ada, tapi maybe the level tidak sampai gold. So this challenge memang tidak ada, we tidak bagilah gold, tapi maybe silver a lot. So this one is based on marking score, bukan on 1, 2, 3.
Okay, berapa hari event ni?
Actually challenge is boleh start sekarang until 1 month before the challenge tutup. This means register. Tapi you masih boleh buat until like last day of the challenge. Tapi display sini 2 hari.
Faham.
Okay, judging 1 malam. The next day will be we call this interaction apapun, check with judges. Interview, yes, ya. You boleh tanya soalan, Q&A section.
Apa? Okay.
Dua kategori itu. One is we call this beginner build. Okay. Make it simple. Beginner build is memang encourage those yang tidak pernah join competition. So ataupun like more or less like out of the box. That means ambil keluar dari kota, pasang detail, you do as much as you possible boleh. That means no custom,
Okay.
no hard bashing.
Okay.
That means memang like straightforward. Tapi mesti hand now because this is a challenge.
Faham.
Okay, this is bukan macam produk biasa pro pasang tribute letak kat rumah, because this is a challenge. So second one we call this intermediate. Okay, intermediate is for those macam they want to, mereka rasa nak cabaran sikit. Dia nak modify pun boleh.
Okay.
In term of modify, maybe like hard bashing, this one also consider intermediate. Maybe custom panel lining, enhance we also consider. Okay, tapi sorry, macam for example like certain build we call this extend ataupun like, macam buat dia masih original, tapi maybe like you rasa dia proportion tidak cantik. you nak extend, tebalkan sikit, enhance sikit, that one still under intermediate. Okay, bukan beginner. Beginner is memang encourage those yang tidak custom tapi maybe like Vivin buat cantik sikit, okay, dia orang bukan custom. Okay, just enhance. Enhance we call this beginner build.
Okay.
Tapi yang ada modified, means pla plate, part bashing, scribing, make a new line, we consider that as intermediate.
Okay. Kit base boleh digunakan tak? Hello.
Sorry?
Kit base.
Kit bash boleh, is fall under intermediate.
Okay.
Sorry, your punya question boleh repeat.
Okey. Untuk competition,
Okay.
mesti beli model baru kah ataupun yang sedia ada dekat rumah boleh guna?
Okay. Kalau you kat rumah sudah ada, this means sudah build and pen. Mesti
Okay.
ada pen. Okay, one of the compulsory is mesti pen because this is challenge. Okay. Kalau kat rumah sudah ada, you tak pernah pergi like any competition, yes, boleh.
Oh, okey. Walaupun yang kategori basic dia pun perlu pen juga.
Yes,
Oh,
because remember, this is a challenge.
Okey.
So sometimes memang we understand. Sometimes customer ataupun builders they ask,
stiker
okay, dia tanya boss ataupun like judges, okay, kena boss mesti pen tak? Cannot straight build. Okay, for saya point of view doesn't mean right or wrong, but my personal point of view, kenapa saya buat this challenge is to encourage you macam mana pergi competition. So kalau you rasa tidak pen, just pasang saja stiker top coat, do you think you can
pergi competition?
I mean win ataupun outstanding competition? Memang susah. Boleh tapi memang susah. Okay, to be straightforward sikit, tapi bukan like I push down on participant. So this challenge I encourage and strongly recommend you start try and pen. It's not wrong. Faham juga, kadang-kadang you takut cat tidak cantik, jangan risau. Sebab yang pro punya we push to intermediate. That's why ada beginner build. So we ada like dua kan painting. We memang ada one is we call this hand pen and airbrush. So airbrush we using airbrush punya standard untuk judging. Jangan risau. Hand pen we use hand pen punya standard. Because memang hand pen you cannot achieve something like airbrush. Airbrush you cannot achieve macam kereta. Yes, you have to macam level yang sama. Macam kereta kan dengan motor, faham? Motor memang speed ataupun overall memang cannot compare dengan kereta. So our judges team lah, I will guide them just memang hand pen is hand pen punya standard. You jangan rasa like, you jangan compare hand pen with airbrush. Because airbrush pun ada their own standard, hand pen pun ada their own standard. So hand pen, for example, this is example. Kadang-kadang they feel like oh, hand pen mesti banyak brush stroke. No. Example this one. This is done by a student. This is hand pen. So most important is you start first and you find the way to achieve. You tengok, this is hand pen. You think it's the rock? No, this is a primary student. This is primary 5 student 2 years ago. Yang our team ajar student. So tengok, is it bad? Jangan, I mean, still not bad kan? Okay, first timer hand brush. This is the result. So bukan masuk hand pen teruk. No, hand pen dia punya standard. Okay, this is just an example. So sorry this is airbrush. So airbrush like flat painting pun biasa. So we want something like more creative. So this memang cannot compare bah. So memang ada, we call this hand pen, we just based on hand pen. airbrush we judge on airbrush. Jangan compare like mesti like this one. Of course you letak this one, these two sama. Of course memang ada gap lah. So we have to judge on airbrush is airbrush. Handpan is airbrush. So jangan risau. Of course handpan pun ada slightly pro punya lah.
Yalah.
Okay, but jangan risau. This is beginner build. You boleh join beginner build. The challenge is not so like heavy, tapi we will guide you. Example. This one. This is done by our friend from Pontianak. Okay. Handpan. This is more. Kawan dari Pontianak. Freddy Slick. This is handpan. Zoom. This is untuk for contoh. Ini as a contoh lah. Hari tu saya post punya kat Facebook yang 2D painting is also done by him. So memang ada peluang, ada like chances we will invite him datang sini lah. So we don't, of course memang ada gap, but jangan risau. This is just an example, simple punya. This is, tapi tidak semestinya like we got this handpan mesti cat macam ni. No, it's not necessary. Ini just the style, style yang painting macam ni. Macam this one ada we got this chameleon or like variation color, but this one is flat. Metallic tapi flat. Style dia different. Okay, style dia different. So jangan
mesti guna HG saja, minimum HG kah, basic kah?
Okay. No, asal gampla for this challenge, we let participants sendiri pilih. Okay, we don't spoon speak everything. We tidak macam like feed you everything lah. You as a participant, you figure out yourself. You want yang paling kecil, like architect, gampla also can, ataupun mega size also can. So kalau you want to give me a tips, I'm the organizer, tapi I'm not the judging. Saya bukan judging. I let the judging team yang judging. So this time I didn't join the judging panel. No, I will give tips to participants if they interested. For example lah, in competition, okay, in competition, but this is challenge lah. I just give you tips. On competition, banyak orang tanya, boss, which one grade I can join? HG boleh tak? MG can or not? Mega size can or not? Okay, we talk about paling kecil. HG, not too small lah. HG not bad lah, this one okay. Tapi compare to mega size memang besar. So in term like apa benefit pakai besar punya? Of course kalau you use mega size, you tap on the meja kan, you very outstanding. Okay. Tapi ingat, the bigger you buat,
makin nampak detail dia.
Tapi you attract your judges 3 second attention. Itu. Tapi you have to do everything. Can you siap? Can you finish everything for the mega size and outstanding? Macam like cat dia ataupun like streamline, all the criteria. So dia macam kalau mistake dia
nampak juga.
Then enhance you sudah. Of course kecil, macam like 100 participant, you won't need to be pop up. So usually lah, competition international, usually saya advise is mega size. Sorry, bukan mega size. MG, master grade. But master grade, sorry doesn't mean that HG tidak boleh. Kan? HG, you need to do something to be pop up. For example, kenapa saya last time 3 years ago I put my competition storytelling. Sebab you have to kena ada creativity, idea, concept. Untuk like sokongan you untuk tahu buat apa. Because hari ni lah kalau you buat like cat very cantik, ni lah macam tu lah, like this one very cantik. Letak macam ni saja,
Langsung tak apa.
Tidak, not really present banyak like concept, maybe like concept 2D painting. Itu saja. Ataupun like produk macam ni, like this one, you letak biasa macam ni dia. Then nothing special. Okay, handpan maybe like build skill ada, handpan skill ada, tapi you tidak pop up. You need to figure out yourself.
Okay.
So sometimes HE bukan that cannot. We have member pakai HE saja in competition dia pun pop up. Idea.
Okay.
This one I cannot fit you.
Alright.
Cannot spoon feed you everything lah. Tapi you can like maybe like kenapa I encourage pergi gathering, exchange idea. That's why member-member yang always ada pergi gathering, mereka share idea cepat, they improve a lot. So kenapa they always advise me, boss, make a gathering event, make a gathering event. So like this time punya gathering on July is MGST punya tema.
Okay.
Because they say, boss, we want to try something like MGST, walaupun pilihan tidak banyak, macam mana. So gathering, my motive untuk gathering is to bagi builders, local builders, exchange information and ideas. Like bergaul lah. So for challenge is to guide you guys macam mana pergi proper competition. So memang like last year, I did bring 2 member pergi international competition kat Penang. Dua masuk finalist. Okay, tapi one dapat silver. That one yang dapat silver first time joining competition. So, and dia pun start main Gambler 2 years saja. So this is kenapa like proven lah, not like it's very solid proven, tapi like at least memang cara yang saya guide them is correct path. Correct path lagi. Okay. Tapi I tidak don't misunderstood. I tidak ajar them skill untuk painting atau build. No. I only guide them on cara guide them to competition. Okay, macam ideas, guide them, push on proper, but decision made by themselves. Mereka yang sendiri yang buat decision. Okay, so you tengok dia last year I pun ada post kan, semua you tengok dia punya ideas, like the one yang dapat silver medalist is pakai double riser.
Okay.
Double riser. Itu dia sendiri yang minat double riser. Then dia punya idea like striking, that one is dia sendiri. Cuma guide them saja. Guide them to like maybe their idea is like 10%. Like I give them something how to like pop. They maximize their own potential. I more like supplement saja lah. Not really help them, tapi ada support them. Okay.
Ada aku nak kesialan. Macam mana sama je? Ya. Okay. Tangan. Alright.